I'm back. Yes, I am back. That was two weeks of very much difficulty. Really, it was 5 months, but it was really 2 weeks. But we have a Burlington Northern Santa Fe over here on Trent. Yeah, I missed doing it. Really did. Just had some stupid things happen. "1118" is the lead locomotive. Well, you know what? I'm so close to 10,000. I gotta thank all of you. Absolutely. You're all marvelous. I've been here before. It's not too bad. Alright, let's look on the other side. Pretty soon here I'm going to be getting another tripod that's a little bit more stable. Well, looks like we got another stop train. Yeah, I think I need another 12 before I hit 10,000 views. That's absolutely exciting. Well, I guess we'll film this for a few more minutes and shut her off, and probably an eastbound stopping him. That's not a bad day today. It's mostly cloudy. It's not that cold for October. But a little chilly with the wind. No, he decided to move now. There's some guys up there working on the tracks. There we go. Beautiful. Well, no, I guess we don't have to wait for eastbound. I'll try not to be gone so long. Like I said, I really like doing this. Well, there she goes, everybody. I think I'm going to let this one go. All right, everybody, take very good care of yourselves. I think it's Wednesday, so happy Wednesday to you all. We're almost to the weekend. All right, everybody, take care. Bill out.